Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm at Blausee in Switzerland, a tiny lake with the most magical blue water I have ever seen. I really can't wait to show you around. Let's explore together. I have seen many videos on Instagram and YouTube, but to be honest, seeing it in real life feels like wow. Just look at this water, it's so clear and the nature around it is so calm and relaxing. It feels like a stepping into a dream for me. Look at these fishies. You can see every single one is swimming. Blausee is more than just a lake. It's a place of calm, beauty and reflection. If you ever in Switzerland, don't miss this gem. It's just about an hour's drive from Interlaken. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.